Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accommodation. 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 Accommodation is a noun used to describe the act of providing lodging, adjustment, or flexibility to meet the needs or preferences of others. It can refer to a place to stay, an adaptation, or a concession. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The hotel offers comfortable accommodations with stunning views of the ocean. Why accommodation is used in example number 1. Accommodations refers to the lodging or rooms provided by the hotel, emphasizing their quality and scenic location. Example number 2. The school's accommodation of different learning styles ensures that every student can thrive. Why accommodation is used in example number 2. Accommodation signifies the school's practice of adapting teaching methods to suit various learning styles, promoting an inclusive learning environment. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.